Hello and welcome to all PCS employee owners. This is Kevin Green, Senior Vice President, and this video presentation will serve as your mandatory training on the revised OSHA Hazard Communication Standard. Due to the time limitations with the Internet video recording service being utilized, this training will necessarily be broken down into several modules of 5 minutes or less. Prior to starting this training, you should print out the attachments in the email notifying you of this training and have them available for review during the training. If you don't have these handy, please pause this video now and procure them. The overall training will follow this agenda. A brief intro and why this training is necessary, a definition of the goals and objectives of this training, a review of the current PCS HazCom program, an explanation of the revisions that OSHA has made, including hazard classifications and categories, label requirements, safety data sheets, and then finally a summary of the changes. Some of you may recall when the HazCom standard was first enacted in 1994. It was written into the Code of Federal Regulations for General Industry 1910 and is referenced in the Construction Industry Regulations 1926, specifically 1926.59. I'm going to take you to the OSHA website, www.osha.gov, and show you where to find this standard. Under the Regulations tab on the home page, will take you to the standards for general industry and the various other industries. If we go to the construction and scroll down to 1926.59 hazard communications, it will take you to a cross-reference to the 1910-1200, the general industry standard, HazCom standard. Clicking on that, you will find the entire standard here. Then you can be researched and or downloaded. Going back to the home page, I'm going to go to a section under data and statistics called commonly used statistics, and these are some of the year-to-year statistics that OSHA keeps. And down under the 10 most frequently cited OSHA standards during the fiscal year 2013, you'll see that number 2 is the Hazard Communication Standard. I've also heard the statistic that HazCom violations are found in 70% of all OSHA citations. So the understanding of and compliance with the HazCom standard is not only the right thing to do, but will help PCS from becoming part of that 70%. Section 3 of the PCS Safety and Loss Control Manual contains our HazCom program. It will be revised in the near future to account for this new OSHA standard, which was officially enacted in 2012. Concerning that new standard, OSHA has required that employers train employees regarding the new label elements and the safety data sheet format by December 1st, 2013. So your review of this presentation as well as the attachments constitutes that training and compliance thereto. This training does not include a requirement to retrain on all hazards, but it is there to ensure that employees understand the new label and safety data sheet approach. The goals and objectives of this training include to ensure that PCS employees have the information you need to better protect yourselves and our job sites, understand the changes made to the HazCom program as previously noted, and then this provides us an opportunity to make sure we are implementing and enforcing our current program properly on our job sites. The current PCS HazCom program contains these elements: responsibility for maintaining files, an inventory log of all hazardous materials, a commitment and explanation as to who has access to this program, labeling and material safety data sheets, employee information and training, and then a multi-employer worksite site policy. This is the end of Module 1.